moving right along here. Not time to sweat yet, is it, Berta?
No, but it's close. What kind of sweater you want?
A fine sweat.
Fine sweat?
Yep. Fine random sweat, yep.
Probably when I'm done with these, probably start back sweat.
Yep. Alright, we got Orville around the wall right now. Got Mikey just pulling some tape off. And I'm gonna jump on the killer trail. I don't know if this camera's still running over here or not. It's getting pretty hot. We'll see. Got it under control, Orville?
Yeah.
Orville's never scared.